Are you going to choose maybe your first telescope if you are a beginner into astronomy and wondering if this Celestron StarSense Explorer 70mm refractor could be the right choice for you? Come with me in this video and let's see if this is a good beginner telescope for you. So let's review the telescope and see if it's a good beginner telescope or not. So start with the tripod. Now I don't have the tripod in full picture now, but it's a full height tripod with fully extendable legs, and you can see the height right now. I'm 174 tall, and you can see the height of the telescope when it's fully extended on the tripod. Very good height. And also in the middle of the tripod you have the accessory tray where you can place all your accessories and equipment, and that's very neat to have when you are out doing your observations, to easily have your eyepieces and so on very close to hand. So the tripod is very good, very sturdy construction. So that's a really good tripod, I would say. The mount for the telescope is a very easy fork mount. You have a locking knob here, so you can lock the movement on left and right. And if I turn the telescope around, you have another knob here on the side that you can loosen and then adjust the telescope in in bigger movements up and down. And then you have a little thumb screw here on the side. And when you turn this around, you move the telescope up and down in much smaller movements to find and to track objects in the sky. Also on the side, we have a red dot finder. And let me turn the telescope around again. You have the red dot finder here, very good, very easy to use, and when this illuminated red dot makes it very easy, and you can also adjust the brightness of this red dot by turning this little knob on the side when you turn it off and on. And you higher you turn this, you higher the brightness, and then you can lower it. So that's really good, and this makes it much easier to find objects in the sky. But that's not all, because this telescope used the StarSense technology developed by Celestron. So you actually put your telephone here in this holder, where you can pull out this little holder on the side, put your telephone in, and under this cap here, there is actually a mirror that will project the night sky to the camera on the telephone. And when you use the StarSense app, it will easily see where you are in the night sky and help you to point the telescope at different objects and also show you objects that you wasn't aware of. So this feature is really nice. And I don't go too much into detail now about the app by itself, but very easy to use. Just follow exactly what the app says, step by step. And I tried it. When I tried this, I chosen Jupiter. I was impressed how easy it was, how accurate it was, and it helped me a lot to find the objects under the night sky. So yes, I can really recommend this telescope. Good refractor telescope, very well built, I would say, for this money that it costs. And they have really thought of everything when they uh, developed this telescope, I would say. So it's a very good beginner's telescope, and this feature is the best one together with the app. Because otherwise it can be hard to find objects in the night sky, but with this feature it helps you a lot. And okay, what comes more with the telescope? We have this focuser here, very easy to use. You have a little knob on each side that you can turn to focus. And a 90 diagonal comes with the telescope that you attach here. So you don't have to bend down like this and look into the telescope. No, now you can have the 90 diagonal in here, and then you put your eyepiece directly into that one, like this. So now you can look like this in the telescope. So the diagonal 25 millimeter eyepiece comes with a telescope, and also a 10 millimeter eyepiece is included. And it also comes with 2 times magnifications Barlow lens. Really good start kit, I would say. 2 different eyepieces, 2 times Barlow lens that actually makes 4 different eyepieces in an easy way to say it. And again, very easy to use. It also comes with a little, not a screwdriver, but a little plate that you can use to tighten some screws when you assemble it. And also a little accessory bag. Let me just show it very quickly to you how it looks. It comes with a bag like this, where you can have the eyepieces, Barlow lens, and so when you're not using it. Very good little feature. Comes in a box that looks like this. So you see, the box is not that big, but this is how it looks when it comes delivered to you. So yes, all in all, I must say, very good telescope. If you are new into astronomy, a beginner, and you are facing to choose your first telescope, this is a really good one. Very good if you want to look at the moon, planets, stars. Not really deep sky objects, I would say. There, I really recommend to use a reflector instead of a refractor. That this is. But other than that, really, really good telescope. I can really recommend it, and a well-built type of equipment. Really worth the price, I could say. So I hope you found this video helpful and a guide for you when to choose your first telescope. So yes, thank you for this, for you viewing this video, and let's see you in upcoming and next videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.